What's up, y'all? Welcome to Old Lady Gang. Come check it out.
Welcome to Local Green. Come on in.
Old Lady Gang is a family restaurant based off of my wife's mom and her two sisters. I used to go to their houses on Sundays. They have this big elaborate spread. And I was like, we need to share this with the world.
Local Green was built out of a necessity. I had my own personal weight challenges and health challenges, and I understood how what I was eating played a part in my health and helped me combat chronic illnesses, the things that we're disproportionately plagued with in the African American community. I wanted to bring that back to my community. A lot of our first and earliest employees were actually friends, members of the community who just wanted to help. You're gonna always hear me talk about community. We came together as a community.
And I really want to blow this thing up, and I think it's very important for our community to see people who look like them doing amazing things, but also staying in the community.
We're not just gonna survive, but we're gonna thrive.